फेस्टिविटीज आर अराउंड द कॉर्नर. दशहरा हो गया, अब दिवाली आ रही है. एंड यू नो व्हाट दैट मीन्स? दिवाली की सफाई. Suddenly the whole country remembers that corners exist.
You're cornering me over here, huh? True. See, 11 months तक जो cobwebs calmly chill कर रहे होते हैं, अक्टूबर में उन्हें eviction notice मिलता है. बॉस, दिवाली आ रही है, निकल जाओ.
Exactly. And cleaning suddenly becomes a full-on family project. Like moms, I mean, मैं भी टर्न इनटू आर्मी जनरल्स. ये साफ करो, वो डस्टिंग करो, कबर्ड्स एम्प्टी करो. घर का हर बंदा एक सोल्जर बन जाता है.
And soldiers usually try to escape. But here's the thing, house cleaning is such a personal subject. Some people can't rest till they clean with their own hands, and I am one of those. And some are like, अरे यार cleaner आ रहा है या आ रही है, let them handle it. वो भी मैं भी हूँ. दोनों.
But the irony is, good domestic help is now harder to find than Diwali sale bargains, right? Earlier
correct.
you would get help easily. Now it's like waitlist पे लग जाओ.
So can I say that domestic help की value Sensex से भी तेज बढ़ गई है?
सच्ची यार.
If your maid doesn't show up for 2 days, your house starts looking like a crime scene. This is so true. I mean, have you watched that Marathi film Naach Ga Ghuma?
Yes, I have.
Yeah, so those who haven't, it's about the day-to-day problems you face when your maid doesn't arrive and how your maid's position in your life is so paramount. उसके ऊपर ये फिल्म मराठी में बनाई गई. Do watch it. It stars Mukta Barve, and it was so relatable.
Yes, exactly.
And nowadays we are not getting good cleaners, you know. I mean, good cleaners. I don't know if there are good cleaners at all. You're just not getting any cleaners.
Yeah.
That's how it is.
And that's how the agencies have started, right? Like our urban company, they had started this maid services now.
Yeah.
Snapbit, वो भी आ गई है.
Okay.
So you get house help for and they charge you per hourly.
अच्छा, hourly basis.
Hourly basis पे.
Good.
So that's a good option, but I haven't tried yet. But my cousin has tried, and she said they're very good.
Okay.
And it's actually pocket friendly also.
Pocket friendly.
Yeah.
Okay. But we fortunately have a cleaner who comes once a week, and he does all these मतलब वो कचरा जो कोने कोने में होता है, and some जिद्दी दाग and everything he does that, मतलब which our normal house help can't do, because there's a woman who comes for dusting, but she cannot do all these kind of jobs.
Especially
that he can
the fan
do.
cleaning
Fan cleaning and all those tough things. But because of lack of good domestic help and rising salaries of theirs, we run to technology like vacuum cleaners, dishwashers, cleaning robots. Ghar ban gaya gadget showroom. Like we don't have vacuum cleaners yet, but we have a dishwasher now finally.
But you have a robot, right?
And we have a robot also. So yeah.
But robots also have drama. One wire atak jaye to they are stuck like a confused relative at a wedding. मतलब रोबोट खरीदो टाइम बचाने के लिए और खुद ही उसको बेबीसिट करो.
अरे आई डोंट नो, आई कैन रिलेट टू इट बिकॉज आई ओनली डू दैट वर्क. उसके नैपीज निकालो पीछे से, उसको धो. राइट नाउ अगेन द हेल्प डज इट, बट समटाइम्स इवन आई ओनली हैव टू डू इट. देन उसके अंदर जो कचरा जमा होता है, देन डिस्कार्ड दैट, then maintain it, you know. So these are all things you need to do. But
same with dishwashers,
but it's flexible, right? I know, but we'll come to dishwashers, but with respect to robots, the good thing is it's flexible. I can clean whenever I want to,
that time
any number of times I want to, as long as the robot is charged, and the settings are quite easy and user friendly. So ठीक है, अभी कुछ तो advantage होना चाहिए ना.
अभी डिशवॉशर्स का भी लाइक पीपल थिंक बस नो मोर स्क्रबिंग, बट देन पता चलता है कि प्लेट्स को पहले रिंस करना पड़ता है. मतलब डिशवॉशर से ज्यादा प्री वॉश इम्पोर्टेंट हो गया है. एंड देन यू हैव टू अरेंज ऑल्सो नाइसली.
Ask me, I have a dishwasher, and just last year when we had gone to New Jersey at our relative's place, वहाँ पे everybody has dishwashers, right? And my aunt, she was literally like almost scrubbing the plates and the spoons and putting it in the dishwasher. And I was being very informal and, you know, oh no, it's okay, I'll do it. So I thought that she's actually scrubbing them completely, washing them, धो रही है, and वो उसको लगा रही है. So she's like, no, I'm just putting it in the dishwasher. And my first thing was, if dishwasher में ही डालना है, then why are you almost cleaning it first? So I'm like, बाप रे, this is too much of work.
So dishwasher को भी हम लोग help कर रहे हैं by cleaning.
It has its, you know, it has its own conditions,
conditions,
all that. But little did I know कि within a year even we'll have a dishwasher over here in India.
एंड बाद में
but it's
बर्तन
nice,
सूखने के बाद
it's amazing,
again,
but I'm
yeah.
telling you, your utensils and जो
Yeah,
भी
that-
कुछ होता है, it
yeah.
comes out as new.
Yeah. End of the day, whether it's a maid or machine or you, cleaning तो करनी ही पड़ती है ना. And the funniest part, you do all this effort and then someone in the family just walks in with muddy shoes. फिर इतना यार frustration आता है ना.
No, see, I am a cleanliness freak. Now, I don't know if it is fortunately or unfortunately. Fortunately for my parents and kind of unfortunately for my own self, because I just can't stand dirt. I can't stand. I have OCD, so I need things at the right place.
Yeah,
I
that
need
I've
them to be
seen.
clean. ये तो होना ही होना है. मतलब I don't like when, see, anybody can barge into your house at any time.
Yeah.
So you cannot have a dirty, smelly
I know,
house.
yeah.
मतलब कुछ arrangement ही नहीं होती घरों में. So I get it from my mom actually, and from her mom. Moreover, because my nani was such, like, she was very particular. She needed things in order and everything had to be clean, and इसके लिए यही spoon use करो and everything. So she was very particular. So I think the cleanliness freak in me is because of her moreover.
Okay.
But my mom is a smart cleaner. She knows कि इसको कैसे धोना है और उसको कैसे धोना है. मतलब she will not mix and match or do whatever. She knows exactly.
उसने तुमको भी धोया है because
आजकल मैं धोता हूँ दोनों को, because my mom and dad, they have a very bad habit कि वो खाने के लिए बैठते हैं ना, the food just creates a mess down, it spills out, and then they do nothing about it later. So I have to go and clean. Yeah. I know that everything. Yeah. कभी कभी तो they hardly care, and then वहाँ पे सब चींटियाँ आ जाती हैं, ants, they form a line, they form an army over there, and then I have to clean that. So, but cleaning is fun for me, I'll be honest. It's therapeutic for me. Having said that, it's not like I'll take a job of a cleaner ever. It's not that, but it's therapeutic. You feel nice, you feel like, oh, finally I'm able to do something constructive when I'm home. So you feel good.
Yeah, you feel good.
Yeah.
But only thing वो करने तक, I mean, what I feel, अरे बाद में करती हूँ ना,
Yeah.
ऐसे. But
पहले
बाद
I
में,
used to think that way, बाद में, but now
once it's clean, you feel nice. Yeah,
so
that is there.
these days when I feel like बाद में करते हैं, I do it now, and बाद में I chill.
हाँ.
वरना what we do is पहले भी chill and बाद में
Yeah.
जो कभी आता ही नहीं है बाद में, तो it's better you do it now and then
Yeah,
chill, because
that's true.
you can say ना, अरे मैं तो थक गई, then you can actually go and chill over there.
Yeah, because I just cleaned one compartment of my cupboard. It took me 3 hours, यार.
What?
3 hours.
ऐसा क्या भरा था उसमें?
काफी कुछ था unwanted. But after doing that, I felt so nice.
Correct. It looks so handsome, the cupboard
Yeah.
starts looking very neat and tidy.
Yeah.
And then you can finally find things which you always wanted and you couldn't find because of the mess. I think you get a different kind of adrenaline rush or some happy hormone secretes when things are clean, when you clean it by your own hands. So.
And one thing what I have learnt over the years कि emotional connect रहता ना with the material things. Now I have started getting out of that emotional connect with the things.
So
Like there are so many things I feel कि अरे ये तब use किया था, ये अच्छा था, ये वो, and it's the resultant of all that emotional connect with all these things कि pile up हो जाता है. But now ऐसे कि ठीक है यार, जाने दो, उसको निकाल दो, like let new things come.
that
ऐसे.
way.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So that helps in cleaning process.
Cleaning and see
Arranging
now,
and
yeah, getting things has become so easy now.
Correct.
ओके पहले ऐसे नहीं था. पहले हम जब नए कपड़े खरीदते थे, दैट वाज ओनली ड्यूरिंग दिवाली टाइम एंड बर्थडेज.
Yeah.
बट नाउ I mean, shopping is become perennial.
Correct.
So, like, you keep buying and then you return the old stuff. So, it's better to get rid of
the old stuff.
Yeah, because that emotional connect with the clothes also.
So that reminds me, I'm donating a lot of my clothes this Diwali because 2 reasons. One is they are old but they still look good, but I'm bored of those, and I just thought that there is someone out there who needs clothes.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm doing. So uske bhi I just don't donate
and you
that
feel
way.
Good also,
you
like,
feel good, but I don't donate it just way. I always have this habit of rinsing it in salt
that you
water.
Told me, yeah.
And then usko achhi tarah se I'll iron it and then I'll donate the clothes.
Or you can like give it in the like in H&M. Right?
Yeah.
The old
I can
clothes.
try that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we do that.
thanks to H&M, they help us in cleaning.
Yes. Yeah.
They help us in
And
cleaning.
they give you the coupons for your next,
Yeah.
I mean, for your purchase. 15% is good enough, na re?
Yeah. Help. See, this is all motivation for
Yeah,
cleaning.
yeah.
So what for you is the paramount cleaning process, let's just say, or which part of the house has to be the cleanest?
The main is kitchen. Huh.
I've seen such horrendous kitchens,
Yeah.
you know. किसी के लोगों मतलब they have cockroaches and it's so badly lit
Yeah.
completely. So I think even I feel like kitchen has to be the cleanest one.
Kitchen and toilets.
Kitchen and toilets, 100%. But cleaning is not just limited to rooms and everything, but it is also surfaces and remote controls
Yeah.
and your phones, not to mention. तो ये सब cleaning भी हर रोज होनी चाहिए. Your air conditions. I mean, the servicing that we do is also cleaning basically.
Because you can see the pile of dust on the
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Because you don't realize, because that net is inside the machine, but when they remove it, you
Oh
come
God,
to know.
yeah. In Mumbai mein to you can imagine the
Yeah.
kind of dust that we
Yeah.
get. My maid who served, I mean, who worked for us for nearly 50 years.
Ooh.
She was there since my mom was a
Baby.
year old. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So she dedicatedly worked for us till our house was demolished, and then she left for her village later. She had OCD.
Oh.
So a bai had OCD, so just imagine, my nani was so fortunate
Yeah.
that her bai herself had OCD.
Yeah.
So she couldn't stand dirt, so वो वहीं के वहीं पोंछ देती थी.
Huh.
So my house used to be, what do you say,
Spotlessly.
spotless. So yeah, I think I'm trying to be at least halfway there for my house, because I like everything to be clean and hygienic. That is important more than
But
clean.
that OCD, doesn't it become very irritating for other people? I'm just asking you.
I try to control it so that other people don't feel irritated.
Huh.
And it irritates me more than other people, because
You yourself.
yeah, because that
I mean,
thought
you being
revolves.
OCD.
That thought keeps revolving. देखिए बाहर से आए तो shoes पहले थोड़ा साफ कर लो, because we have a lot of dirt here, and if when it's
Yeah.
rainy season, it's going to be even bad. So when I come home and remove my shoes, my first thought is, let's clean the shoes. But then my other part of the brain is, अरे पहले कुछ खा लो, थोड़ा हाथ मुंह धो लो. Then I feel like हाथ मुंह धो लिया, then उसी हाथ से वापस साफ कर. So
Yeah.
this keeps me engaged in not such a good way, my mind. But ठीक है ना, my shoes are always, that's
Yeah.
why clean, and I have this shampoo for shoes also. So I clean my shoes, and I just like everything to be clean basically. That's it. So Diwali is around the corner. Like it or not, but most of us have to clean our houses. So if at all you feel bored, just play our Spotify episodes while you're doing it.
Pretend the broom is Mike and sing your way through, right?
So bye-bye and happy Diwali. And happy cleaning.